let's do the unboxing of our new arrival Mast PMU machine. Here is the instruction page and with multi-languages, and also the black sponge protection to protect the machine well. So here is the pink color. This machine is especially designed for the PMU, so the color is very suitable for women and it's attractive color. And the shape design is very comfortable for your holding pose. And here is the new cartridge, PMU cartridge named Cyber. And we just use one to try out the machine. And just long press the button to turn it on, and to click the button with plus and minus to change the voltage. The screen has the voltage, the battery, the working time display. And you can rotate the grip to change the needle length. This combination is very silent. And we also have silver, blue, and purple. Okay, together we have 4 colors. Here is the charging cable and is Type-C charging port. When you charge it, you need to just slip the machine and charge it on part of this machine. So just pay attention, you can't use the machine while charging, so please make sure you charge it well before working. And we have a noise test. Before turn this machine on, the volume machine shows like 40 something, but after we turn this machine on, the value of this noise machine didn't show increasing that much.